the chia seed trick that wipes out liver fat and shrinks your belly. You've been told belly fat won't go away without extreme diets or hours in the gym. That's a lie. The real reason belly fat sticks has nothing to do with willpower or workouts. It starts inside your liver. When your liver gets clogged with fat, your metabolism slows, toxins pile up, and your belly expands no matter what you do. That's why so many people feel frustrated when the scale won't move. But here's the shocker. A tiny everyday food, used the right way, can actually wipe out liver fat. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works. The hidden problem. Think about it. Millions of people eat what they believe is healthy, yet the belly fat never moves. Why? Because when your liver is overloaded, it can't burn fat efficiently. Instead, it stores more and more around your midsection. The truth is, fatty liver is one of the biggest hidden reasons belly fat refuses to budge. You can starve yourself or spend hours sweating in the gym, but if your liver is clogged, your body simply won't burn fat. The tiny fix. Chia seeds. This is where chia seeds shine. They might look like tiny black dots you sprinkle on pudding, but they're packed with fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants that help clean the liver, balance blood sugar, and fight inflammation. The three hidden forces behind stubborn belly fat. Before I show you the chia trick, hit that like button and subscribe, because I share natural hacks most diets don't want you to know. Why chia seeds work. 1. Liver cleanse. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like fiber that acts like a broom for your digestive system. It binds to toxins and cholesterol and carries them out of the body. That takes pressure off your liver so it can focus on burning fat. 2. Blood sugar balance. Every spike and crash tells your body to store fat. Chia slows digestion, releasing energy steadily and keeping your liver from being flooded with sugar, so it can switch into fat-burning mode. 3. Omega-3. Protection. Chia's omega-3s reduce inflammation inside the liver, one of the main drivers of fatty liver disease. Less inflammation means a healthier liver and easier fat loss. 4. Appetite control. Chia absorbs up to 10 times its weight in liquid, keeping you full for hours. That means fewer cravings, less snacking, and less fat stored around your stomach. The chia seed trick. But here's the catch. Most people use chia seeds wrong. Tossing them into a smoothie won't cut it. If you don't prepare them properly, you miss their fat-burning power. Here's the right way. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Drop them into half a glass of warm water or milk. Let them swell into a gel, about 20 minutes. Then add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Why lemon? Because it's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that supercharge liver detox. Together, this combo flushes liver fat, improves digestion, and burns belly fat. Drink this in the evening, about an hour before bed. That's when your body naturally shifts into repair and detox mode. While you sleep, the chia lemon mix helps your liver process fats instead of storing them, and it even calms late-night sugar cravings. Proof that it works. Researchers found that people who ate chia daily not only reduced liver fat, but also lost inches off their waist compared to those who didn't. And the best part? You don't need a complicated diet or endless workouts. This is a tiny shift anyone can make. The bottom line: belly fat isn't just a food problem, it's a liver problem. When your liver is clogged, no workout or diet trick will fix it. But when you give your body the right tools, like soaked chia seeds with lemon, you help clean the liver, balance blood sugar, and switch on fat burning, especially around your belly. Remember, it's not about overnight miracles. It's about small, powerful habits that stack up over time. And this chia seed trick is one of the easiest you can start today. Try this chia seed trick for just 1 week and notice the difference. And if you want more natural ways to shrink stubborn fat and boost your health, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Tell me in the comments, have you tried chia seeds this way before? I'd love to hear your results. They say belly fat takes extreme diets, but sometimes the smallest habits, like a spoonful of chia seeds, create the biggest changes. In my next video, I'll reveal another everyday food that burns fat even faster. Don't miss it.